Hello and welcome back. Today will be the next part of our Flutter A to Z series and we'll be looking at columns. So go ahead and create a new Flutter project, Flutter application, and we'll call this columns. SDK path, and next, and finish. So we'll just wait for that to finish creating. Now that our project's been created, we can go ahead and delete the boilerplate app. So we can get rid of this, and we can also get rid of everything inside the build method, and make sure to get rid of this. So we're going to go ahead and create our scaffold. So return scaffold, and we'll have an app bar, title of the text widget, and we'll just call this columns. So a column widget is a widget that you use to display many different widgets in a vertical array. So first of all, we'll go to our body, and we'll use a center widget to center everything, and we'll have a child of column. So column takes an argument of children, so these are the things that you'll display, and this will be a list of type widget. And so we'll just display text widgets for now, saying 1, 2, and 3. So if we run that on our emulator, you'll see you get this output. All the numbers are at the top of the column. So column also has other parameters such as main axis alignment, and this is an enum, and this will take different enums. So one of them is start, and if we press hot reload, you'll see it's still where it is, so it's at the start of the main axis, and so the main axis is the vertical axis and it's at the start. We can change it to end, and you'll see now they're all at the bottom. Likewise with center, it'll put them all in the center. And another good one is space evenly, so it'll give them an equal space between each other here. Next we can move on to the main axis size, and so this takes another enum, and so main axis size.max, that means it'll take up as much room as possible. But if we put main axis size.min, you'll see they all shrink together because it's taking up as little space as possible. Now we're going to go ahead and add some more widgets, so we'll add some containers. And we'll give them a color, colors.red, and height and a width, height 40, width 40, and we can just copy that and paste it. And let's change the colors so we have a little bit of variety. And you'll see now if we reload that we have this little column here. So let's change it to main axis size.max. Another cool thing we can do is use the cross-axis alignment. So cross-axis alignment dot start. So the cross-axis is the axis going across, so this way, that means the horizontal axis. So you'll see here that it'll go to the very start, cross-axis alignment.end, and you'll see that now the numbers have gone to the end. Cross-axis alignment.center, and the numbers are in the center, and cross-axis alignment dot stretch. So what this does is it stretches everything so that it fills up the whole room. Since the numbers, the text can't be stretched further than the length, they are just at the start, but you see our containers have now stretched all the way across the screen. So thanks for watching this tutorial, and I'll see you around.